Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers. Today we are going to learn how to schedule our lecture material for our Google Classrooms. And this is the tutorial that how we can create our lecture material from our desktop or laptops. So from my laptop, I am in my browser window Chrome. From here, I am going to Google Apps. From Google Apps, I will search for Google Classroom. This is Google Classroom. From Google Classroom, now I will get all my classes where I am added as a co-teacher or enrolled as a student. So I am going to create my lecture material for my art class at Jasmine and Tulip. Click on it. So from here in this window, as we know that what is the layout of Classroom, Google Classroom. So we will directly go to our specific point of this tutorial, that is how to create a classwork material for your class and save it as a draft to be posted it later on in your class time, or to schedule it to be posted automatically at that specific time of your class at the class stream. So from Classwork tab, here we have all the given lectures or classworks by the co-teachers, all the class teachers. Here you will get all these lecture topics. From these lecture topics, we are going to create another lecture material for the upcoming class of next week. So for that, click on this create button. From create button, we will get different types of material creation. We can create assignments, quiz assignments, questions, materials, or we use previously posted material to post in this class on specific day or a time. And we can create topic. But today we are going for material creation. Click on material creation. From material creation, here we will get the window where we can give the title of our lecture, and this title depends on you, that what you are going to more specifically sharing with your class, as we are going to cover our textbooks. So here you may give your title for the topic. Most effective in my point of view, it is you have to give the topic numbers from your textbook, which will be more helpful for the users, for the students to find out the more specific topic of their book in the posted material. So with the topic number in title bar, give some textual topic, as we are in computer education class for 8th Jasmine and Tulip. So next topic that we have to cover in our class, it is widely used antivirus softwares. So if you are going to just cover this topic, it's okay. But if you have some next topic to be covered, just as I want to cover 2.3 and 4, then simply give over here in some little text about next topic. So this is my title name for my lecture material. Then comes some description that you want to add with this lecture. So you may compose certain description for your lecture material, which will be helpful for the student to get information or some details about your lecture material. So I have previously noted my lecture description, so I'm just pasting over here. So this is my lecture text, which will be displayed with my topic, with my material. After this description, what next we have to do? We have to go to select the topic with this lecture. From this topic, you may just announce without topic, but it is not recommended. You have to give certain topic. So for topic, if it's your class and you are taking it regularly, obviously you have created some topics. So if the current material is also related to your previously announced topic, then select it. Otherwise, you may create from the create topic. But as my class is going with Unit 2, so we are selecting Computer Education Unit 2, Computer Security Threats. So this lecture will be posted under the topic of this security threats. After selection of topic, you may select out that this topic is for certain number of students from here, or it is for whole class, then it is from all students. So it is a lecture material, so it is for all class. From here you can select any other class for which you want to create this lecture or create this material. So as I have three classes, two are Jasmine Tulip and third is Ed Rose. I can select it. So this lecture is going to be scheduled for 2 classes. But it depends on your timetable schedule, because we are going to schedule it on our specific class time. So we are getting only 1 class, that is Ed, Jasmine and Tulip. Option is yours. If you have same timing for more than 1 classes, you can schedule at the same time. Okay. Then comes what is the helping material that you want to add with it. Go on add. If you want to add certain material from Google Drive, link some other website, or uploading any file, or you are giving to some YouTube videos. So I have searched my related videos, so I'm just going to add it up with YouTube. From here already searched videos are there, so simply go for URL and paste here your search material. Go for your here, as it is my searched YouTube video, copy its link, shareable link, go back to your lecture announcement and paste the URL over here. So your video is attached with your lecture material. Click on add. So in this way you can add all the required YouTube videos. So in this way I have attached all my 3 YouTube videos. Now next point is how to schedule it. Here at the top right corner you will get saved option. Saved means what? It means that you are currently with the material that you are designing, it is already saved as a draft in your class. And next option is post. If you want to post it at the time that it is your class time and you are going to post it, simply click on it. Otherwise, here we have the drop down arrow, click on it. We will get four options over here. Topmost post, which is the same button option of post. Then comes schedule, save draft and discard draft. Save draft, this option is already automatically applied. How? Because here we get the saved. It means just simply go to your classroom and under Classwork tab, here you can see that our next two drafts on which we are working, these are automatically saved. So we don't need to save the drafts. These drafts are automatically saved during your topic creation, your material creation. Then comes the post option. Just it will be posted at the time. Otherwise, schedule it. Here comes the scheduling. How we can schedule our material for any next day on a specific class time. So here automatically today it's 26th April. So your material is going to be scheduled for 27th. But मेरी क्लास जो है वो as per my timetable आती है 27th पर नहीं आती. So check your timetable, and for timetable, according to your timetable, you can schedule it. As per timetable, this class material should be posted on Thursday at 1 p.m. So correct the timing and date and click on schedule. So your topic material will be scheduled for that specific day and date.